Let's break. Okay guys, this is a freebie later. Quack quack race. So order of breaking. We break the Optic first, then the Donruss, then last one will be the Obsidian. Okay. Claro, claro, M recto. Let's go. Let me get this one, our display rack for the hits. Then these are the boxes. Okay. Left is always right. Good luck everyone. Thank you for the fills. Let's break. Welcome to the 14 million viewers out there. Hey, we have some visitors on the break from the land down under Australia. Boss Arctic cards. He paid pase. Let's break, guys. Let's go. I think it's exactly 1 month before the season starts. So we better break. We better get your personal collections. Empty box, guys. This is a blaster. 30 cards per box. 6 packs. 5 cards per pack. For the super refractor. Who wants to? I'm still thinking, boss. Oh, switch. Yes. Thank you, boss. Let's switch. There you go. First card. We got the Suns. Devin Booker. We got white hot rookies on the first pack. White hot rookies on the first pack. Devin Booker for the Suns. Knicks, Mitchell Robinson. We got Ja Morant for the Grizzlies, Boss Tubbs. For the Brooklyn Nets, we got Nicholas Claxton. And for our white hot rookie base, not a prism. For the Los Angeles Lakers, Jalen Hood Schifino. Bang bang. Now we're using the smooth sleeves. This one got the upper lid. I think you can. Yeah, there's the upper lid, so easily can pull out. Second pack, guys. This 136 cards to pull. I think we'll cross the Wednesday. Waspers, Jeremy Sohan. Seth Curry for the Hornets. Oh, I think it's auto. Let me. Is it an auto card? Oh no, no. Not an auto card. From the Nuggets, 17.4 points per game. We got MPJ. For our rated rookie, Maxwell Lewis, Lakers is hitting. Purple, winner stays. For the Lakers, back to back. Lakers, wow, Boss Clarence, Los Angeles Lakers. For Magic Johnson. Yeah, Boss Gingy, you got free shuttle from Singapore to KL. Now very hard to drive to Malaysia. Got the VEP. Need to have the VEP now eh. Atlanta Hawks for Boss Rush. Leo John Day Murray. We got a Silva at the back. Timberwolves, Jaden McDaniels. Hornets again for Mark Williams. Rated rookie Sasha Vezenkov for Sacramento Kings. Goes to Boss NGZ Collect Cards. Silver rated rookie for Nuggets. We got Jalen Pickett. Boss Christian Carlos. Oh, who's collecting Jalen Pickett? Jalen Pickett, I think it's Boss Russia. Boss Russia, you're collecting Jalen Pickett, right? Oops, rated rookie will be here. Yeah, Roche collecting, yeah, Nuggets. Last 3-pack for the first box. We got Christian Braun, Nuggets again. Yep. Brooklyn Nets, Dennis Schroeder. Houston Rockets for Jabari Smith Jr. Oopsie. Miami Heat. Rated rookie for Jaime Jaquez Jr. Miami Heat. Boss Nur. Silver. Who's this? Not a rookie for Cleveland Cavaliers, Boss Tabs. Jarrett Allen. Which TCG you collecting now, Boss Dan? Demon Slayer, is it? Is it Demon Slayer or One Piece? Rated rookie for top rookie. Last 2 packs for the first box. Oh, One Piece, nice. We got Washington Wizards. Who's Washington Wizards? Wow, Boss Jaden. Marvin Bagley. Pacers, Ben Mathurin. Timberwolves again. Karl Anthony Towns. Rated rookie for Trailblazers. We got Scoot. Wow, Boss LeBron James is hitting. We got purple. Color black. Rated rookie. Color black. For the Pacers. We got Ben Shepard, purple holo. Not numbered. It's just purple. Indiana Pacers, wow, Boss Nur. This one is a base for Scoot. Top 3 is here. Where's Wemby? His purse is for Boss Marcus. Where's Wemby? Sleeping again. No. Blaster, no. No. But this one got numbered, 2 numbered card. Blasters don't have a. Purple. Express Lane. And another purple, my house. Kevin Durant. You got Josh Richardson for the Heat. Tobias Harris for the Sixers. My house for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Donovan Mitchell, purple holo for Boss Tubbs. Another purple Express Lane. Oops, who's this? Whoa! Ant-Man for the Timberwolves, Boss Marcus Teo. Oh, that's a nice pack, eh? Last pack mojo. That's a nice pack. Purple in front. Who else got some YouTube? Let's follow each other, guys. Second blaster. That's just the first blaster, ah. We're breaking 5 boxes tonight. Second blaster. Empty box. 6 packs. Wait, let me just open some pack loaders. Okay, there you go. Let's mix na. Better to mix. Hi Boss NGZ. Hi Boss UG4 Collectibles. Let's follow each other, guys, on Instagram. Lakers again. Boss Clarence is hitting, huh? LeBron James. Beefs 2 for the Pistons. Warriors, Andrew Wiggins. We got white holo again. White hat rookies. Trailblazers for Tomani Kamara. And our white hat rookies. Oh. For the Atlanta Hawks, Boss Roy, Kobe B. Kobe Buffkin. Oh, it's not the Chun-Li hair, eh. No longer the Chun-Li hair. All rookies inserts will be top loaded. So don't worry. All the bases here will be sleeved. All cards. We got Utah Jazz. We got purple. Colin Sexton, Utah Jazz. Gary Trent Jr., Raptors. Utah Jazz again, John Collins. For OKC, we got SGA. Oh, what's that, huh? Wow, there's a peeling on the chrome, oh. There's a peeling on the chrome for the OKC card. Oh, Jaden Ivey at the back. For the purple. Not a rookie for the Cavaliers again. Max Truss. Wow. Cavaliers are really hitting, ah. Why Cavaliers hitting? What is happening? You got Donovan Mitchell now. You got Max Truss. Next pack. Raptors. Jakob Potol. Sixers. Kyle Lowry. Pistons. Jalen Duran. We got winner stays, I think. Rated rookie for the Hornets. Wrong rookie. Nick Smith Jr. Winner stays base for the Rockets. We got Hakeem Olajuwon. Rockets is Boss David Young Liren. Wow, Spurs. Spurs. Where are you? Where's the big alien? Wow, who's inside the live? We got purple again. Let me see what purple is this. Yeah. Isaac. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Jonas Valanciunas, Pelicans. Trailblazers, Matisse Thybulle. Rated rookie for the Pistons. Wrong rookie again, Marcus Sasa. Boss Kyrie got cards. Purple. What, is he back to back? Rated rookie for the Kings, Kobe Jones. Color match. Sacramento Kings for Boss NGZ. Initially we got Ben Shepard, now we got Kobe Jones. Last two packs of the second backs. Oops, what's that? Oh, 2 Express Lane. Yep, 2 Express Lane. We got Zach LaVine for the Bulls. GP2 for the GSW. Jalen Bronson. Knicks. This one is the team to watch for the next season. New York Knicks. Express Lane for Paul George. Holo. Clippers. Goes to Boss Secret Agent. Another Express Lane. Oh, Steph Curry. Boss Arctic cards from Australia. Let's go. This one is holo, this one is not. Wow, there's a lot of Express Lane for this break. Guys, again, there will be 1 freebie and 5 giveaways later. I'll announce the giveaway later. 5 winners. 5 winners. We got silver, please. Make that a Wemby. We got BI for the Pelicans. Rui Hachimura, Boss NGZ, Lakers. Boston, KP. Rated rookie, color red for Thunder. Keontae Johnson. Silver. Curly hair. Not a rookie for the Timberwolves. We got cut Carl Anthony Towns. Last blaster, guys. Then we'll go for the higher hits. But Donruss is very, very nice to it. Last box. Paul George, boss. Express Lane, Paul George. For Clippers. Why cannot? Empty box. 6 packs. Should be 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 packs. Last blaster, guys. Last blaster box. Then we'll be opening the Donruss, then the Obsidian. GSW, Draymond Green. Desmond Bain for the Grizzlies. Grizzlies is Boss Tubbs. Utah Jazz, Lauri Markkanen. We got Express Lane again. Box Andre Jackson Jr. Box is for Boss Mao Shan Wang. Express Lane. Oh, Joel Embiid for the Sixers. Well, loaded with Express Lane, yeah. Four Express Lane now for this break. Winner stays 2. My house only 1. Box again. This one is winner stays. Brook Lopez, PJ Tucker, Spicy P for the Pacers. Yeah, I like the My House. Rated rookie for the Rockets. We got the correct rookie. Amen. Thompson. Rockets goes to Boss David Young Liran. Winner stays. Not numbered for the Spurs. Sorry. It's Kawhi Leonard. Wow. Why Not Clippers Kawhi Spurs. It's a Kawhi Spurs. So this goes to Spurs This one goes to Spurs. B-Mill Boss maybe on the Obsidian All the top seeds should be on the Obsidian. Next pack, or on the Donruss number to 88, number to 25. Orlando Magic marker Fultz. First, Devin Vassell. Trailblazers dominating. Rated rookie for the Mavericks. Derek Lively. Dallas Mavericks. Who got Dallas Boss Jin Yi. Dallas base. Who's this? Silver. Color yellow for the Pacers. For Boss Noor. Tyrese. Andrew Nemhard. This one is a dark horse also. Andrew Nemhard. Watch for him. When Ben Matrin was out, he was the one balling. Andrew Nemhard. We got Derek Lively. This one is a top rook. Western Conference Finals champ. Yeah, this one deserves a top load plus. Last 3 packs for the last box of Blasters. Then we go to the international hobby boxes. Cavaliers, Evan Mobley. Oh, we got My House. Color red team. Evan Mobley, Andrew Nemhard again. Base Denver Nuggets, MPJ. Lakers, Austin Reeves, and My House. Color red. For the Phoenix Suns, it's orange. We got KG, Kevin Durant. Your gold medalist for the Olympics. But base lah. That's one for Boss Curry Rice. Next pack. Denver Nuggets, Nikola Jokic. We got purple only. Yeah. Steph Curry. Wow, this one is superstar pack. MVP and MVP. Raptors. Ochai Abaji. For the Mavericks, rated rookie Omax Prosper. And our purple. Color red or orange again. For Phoenix Suns. Wah. Jusuf Nurkic. I thought mini PC for KD. Can we hit some RPA tonight? This one have a chance for RPA. But hopefully the black color blast for Boss Marcus. We got White Hat Rookie and My House Purple. Sixers Buddy Hield. Suns Grayson Allen. OKC, we got Chet Holmgren. OKC for Boss Roku. For Atlanta Hawks, My House. Wow, second copy. Oh, Ice Trey Young. Nice card. Atlanta Hawks for Boss Rush. Wow. Boss Rush hitting. Hey, this White Hat Rookies, I think it's numbered No. White Hat Rookies. Base. For OKC. Kaysen Wallace. Nice card. OKC hitting, Boss Roku. Nice. We got, I think, no Wemby on that one. No Wemby on the Optic Blaster. Never mind, because it's a blaster. Wemby on a blaster is SSP. We got My House, My House. But this one is the Prism. Oh, both Prism. Sorry, both Prism. This one is the base. This one Max Truss. Let's go. We go for the Donruss now, guys. Wait, let me just fix these bases here. Ayo. We fix the bases there. Let's go for the Donruss box. Let me see the serial. Okay. Let's check. Let's try. This one we got 8 exclusive parallels. So we got the red gold. So we got the red gold laser, red fireworks, number 288 or number 225 holo light blue. We got rated rookie holo red gold, red fireworks as well, and holo light blue number 225. We can get signatures, retro series, crunch time, unleashed, hardwood masters, zero gravity, net marvels, dominators, auto, rookie dominators. And rookie dominators, holy light blue will be number 28. This one is 10 cards per pack, 4 cards per box. This is the pack. 4 packs, empty box. Let's rip. Yeah, we go here first. First pack. Red gold LBJ for the Lakers. Let's go. It starts off with, wow, there's a rookie there. Rookie at the back. See? Color blue. For the Kings. This card is really nice. The red refractor. The Montas Sabonis for the Kings. We got Cavs again. Darius Garland. We got Raptors red on red for OG Anunoby. We got Pacers, Boss Nur, Oh, Body Healed. So here, Body Healed is paces, but for Optic, he's on sixes. Oops. What's this? Rated rookie for the Nuggets. We got Jalen Pickett. This one goes to Boss Christian Carlos. Rated rookie again for the Kings. Kobe Jones. Next, rated rookie for the Nets. Boss Rex. Got Derek Whitehead. The fake Wemby. Another one for the Magic. Rated rookie Magic for Jet Howard. Wow, this pack quite salty. Salty on the rookies. This is the red gold now. Red gold for the Pelicans. Red gold for the Pelicans. We got CJ McCollum. Pelicans goes to Boss David Young Liran. And for the blue, this is a rookie. Red gold rookie number 222. Detroit Pistons. Boss Kyrie. We got Marcus Sasa. Sorry. Not number, still not number. This is just the red gold parallel. The wrong rookie for the right team. We need the Thompson brother. We got CJ McCollum also for red, second red gold. For the Pelicans. Next pack, guys. That one salty pack. Hopefully this is not a salty box. Another rookie at the back. I don't know his number or what. We got Malachi Branham for the Spurs. Pelicans again, Herbert Jones. Clippers, Boss Secret Agent, another Paul George. Is this the rated rookie now? No, for the Hornets, Mark Williams. Is this the rated rookie? Yes. Next is the rated rookies. For the Lakers, we got Maxwell Lewis. This guy needs a playing time. For the Pacers again, Boss Noor, we got Jarvis Walker. Next, for the Wizards, Boss Jaden, please Bilal. It's Tristan Vucevic. My goodness, salty box. For the Magic, you got Jet Howard earlier. Now you got Anthony Black. Orlando Magic. You got both. Boss Roku. Nice, congrats. And for the first red gold. Red gold for the Knicks. For Boss Curry Rice. Julius Randle. Wow, nice card eh. Red and gold. Another rookie. Don't know if number or what. Number 217. Well, I don't know what's number of Wemby eh. Denver Nuggets. Wow, Boss Christian Carlos closing the break. Wow, Pickett has won. Bang, bang. Numbered card. This one is 65 of 88. First numbered card goes to a rookie. goes to a rookie. Jalen Pickett. Wow, this break a lot of Jalen Picketts. Numbered to 88. Bang, bang. Next pack, guys. Wow, still no Wemby. Is a vet at the back. Facing card. Onyeko Okungwu for the Atlanta Hawks. Trey Murphy for the Pelicans. Well, why like this? Warriors. Andrew Wiggins. Orlando Magic. Marker Fultz. Rated rookie. Color red. For the Trailblazers. Chris Murray. For the Celtics. Rookie champ. Jordan Walsh. For the Spurs. Boss Marcus. For the Spurs. Remember, there's CD Sissoko on this series. But please. Please. Wala na, it's really CD Sissoko. My goodness. The wrong rookie, guys. Another. Trailblazers, is this the correct rookie? Tomani Kamara. Ayo. Science. For the red and gold. For the Warriors. Boss Arctic cards. Please make it a... Wala. Moses Moody. Yo. Number 22. It's a vet. Grizzlies. 3 points per game. 3 points per game. Memphis Grizzlies season high 13. It's Jake LaRavia. That's the second numbered card. Ayo. Memphis. Wow, boss Tubbs hitting 77 of 88. Our last hope. Our last hope. Our last hope will be the Obsidian. Wow, still no Wembile. Tough, huh? Still no Wemby. How? Don't worry. The freebie will shock every one of you. I tell you. If I say the surprise giveaways, it's a banger. We got Denny of Jiha for the Washington Wizards. Memphis, Desmond Bain. Wow, Grizzlies is hitting, huh? Why? Because it's boss tabs, ah. Timberwolves, we got Cat. Wow, you can get... Boss Marcus, you can get a mini PC for Karl Anthony Towns. Utah Jazz. Jordan Clarkson Kabayan. Rated rookie, color red. Clippers, boss secret agent. We got Kobe B. Kobe Brown. Rated rookie for the Jazz. Utah Jazz. Who's Utah Jazz? Wow. Boss Wolvie. New joiner. We got Taylor Hendricks. Still wrong rookies, huh? For the Nets. Earlier you got Derek Whitehead. Now you got Noah Clowney. Rooks for the Nets is showing. You got we got a crunch time. We got a crunch time. Before the red and gold. Luka Doncic for the Dallas Mavericks. Bang bang for Boss Genie. Not numbered. Red and gold. Red and gold. Who's this? Jam Moran? Ah, no, Derrick Rose, I think. Ah, Nuggets. Air Gordon. This one is not numbered, boss. And the last card for Donruss International. Who's this? Shaver Tillman. For the Grizzlies, David Roddy. Salty Backs. Damn. Obsidian, please save us. Dallas Mavericks for Boss Genie. Later I will top load and sleeves and top load all these inserts and rookies. These bases will be sleeve only. Last box, guys. Again, thank you for joining me breaking on Tuesday midnight. Now it's Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Don't you worry. Later there will be 6 winners for the giveaways. 6 winners. Let me check this. We got 33571. Please save us, Obsidian. Checklist. You can get the base electric, Etch, Red Flood, Reggae Flood, Green Flood, Molten Mojo, and Ashen Flood 1-to-1. Is to 1. Equinox, same number. Orbital to 10. Hotspot is a SP. Supernova, a rookie jersey auto. You can get rookie jersey ink. Matrix material auto. Of course, the SSP will be the Black Color Blast and the Mist. Let's open. 1 pack only, guys. 6 cards. 1 pack. Empty box. 1 pack, guys. 1 pack. Wait, let me get some blockers. Let me get some blockers. Guys, empty. All empty. Yep. Everyone can see all empty. Yeah, we just put it there lah. Brandon Miller, number 225. Let's see. Starts off with Drew Holiday. There's no RPA, guys. No RPA. We got Drew Holiday for the Celtics. Orlando Magic for Boss Roku. Markel Fultz. We got rookie Amen Thompson for Houston Rockets for Boss David Young Liran. Equinox. I think this is a reggae. This is a numbered card. The next one. Equinox. Who's this? Eh! Is it? Is that the hairline, guys? Equinox. Is that the one? We got Vector. One, yeah, bang, bang. This is number 275, Boss Marcus. Whew. Finally, he's inside our break, guys. Bang, bang. I'll check later. It's numbered, I'll check later. Red Flood, rookie again. Another rookie. But wait, I want to check if it's numbered or not. Yeah, wait. For this Victor Wembanyama. Number 260. 17 of 60. Bang! Bang! This is for Boss Marcus Teo. What a banger! Obsidian really saved us tonight. I thought it's number 275 eh, sorry. Equinox is number 260. Wait, let me just secure this guys. Well, I think this is the biggest. My first numbered Wemby guys, pull. Here are my 55s. This is a 55 point, right? Yep. Obsidian save us tonight. Deserves the front seat. Let's continue. Another rookie. Reggae. Who's this Whose head is this? We got wow, Cleveland Cavaliers. Really hitting it, Boss Tubbs. This one is number 275, Reggae Flood. Not a rookie for our last card, Obsidian. We got Larry Bird for Boston Celtics. This is 69 of 75, Boss Kerry Rice. For Emoni Bates, you got 67 of 75. Wow, Boss Tubbs. Damn. You hit Cavaliers, but you still hitting, Give me your 4D number, boss. Give me 4D number. Last card for Boss Curry Rice. Larry Bird number 275. Let me just upload and sleeve all the Obsidian. Then we'll do. I'll reveal the freebie card. And I'll reveal the 5 winners for our surprise giveaway. It's quack time. 6 winners, guys. It's my first time to do this. Yeah. It's a way of thanking you guys. We're now on box break number 27. It's all because of you. It's not because of me. It's all because of you. No joiners, no break. That's it. I'm just an avenue for your collection and for your, for the thrill, for the excitement that you want to break boxes. So this is a way for me to thank you, guys. So hold on, I'll just do some top loadings of the tick cards. Wow, Victor Wembanyama number 260, Boss Marcus. I think he'll PM me tomorrow. Please ship now. But sorry, I still need to sort, take photos. Yeah, for transparency lah. For everyone, yeah. So if it takes some time to do it, need to take a sort, take photo, take some videos and all. That's it, guys. Thank you for the break. Thank you for joining. Now we'll proceed for the quack race. Yeah, let me just do this one. Okay, for the quack race, we give the card first. Yep. So for the quack race, for the freebies, for the new joiners, we are giving away mystery Optic autograph card through the duck race. These are all freebies, guys. So just giving you the. Okay, wait. Let me just go to your random page for the quack. Whichever team wins will win the will win the freebie. Yep. Names on the list. We got 28. We got 28 of 100. These are all the spots, guys. Whichever team wins the race will win this mystery Optic autograph card. Done. Let's set. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. This one is for the mystery auto card. Wow, what a beauty card. Beautiful. 17 of 60. Wow, Miami hit. Bang. It's the Donald Jack. Who's Miami hit? Okay, I return to that page. Miami hit is, where's Miami hit? Boss Noor, you got the Optic auto card. Let me reveal the freebie, guys. It's just in Tops Now, but it's not a Tops Now auto card. It's Optic. Who's this? Horizontal. Who's this? Who's this? He's from Milwaukee, number 0. But I think it's not Milwaukee now lah. Optic 2020. We got Dante. DiVincenzo. Silver Signature Series. This is a really nice card. Boss Noor. Freebie for you. Bang. Bang. Thank you. That's for Boss Noor. Again, guys, we go back to the... Okay. I'll explain to you. Wait, let me just remove the sound now. Okay. I'll explain to you the next freebie. This is my way for thanking everyone. So there will be 5 winners for a free break. Guys, it's a free break. So I'll be choosing 5 winners. So there will be 6. There will be 6 breaks. Every break will have a 5 winners to join that free break. Yeah, so for this BB27, I will be choosing 5 joiners to have 5 free spots on that free break. This is my way of thanking you guys. We're now down to box break number 27. That one really freebie. No, not costed in or anything. It's freebie. Okay. Again, okay, we just go for duck race. So there will be 5. Sorry, there will be 5 winners. Again, 28 of 100 on the name list. So we just make it 10 seconds lah. Yeah? 10 seconds only. I'll say 15 lah, 15. 5 winners, 15. Let's set. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. For spot number 1. This is for spot number 1. Free break. Bang, bang. Charlotte Hornets. Free FB is spot 1. I remove you from the race, boss. We race again. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. It's a free break. Wow! San Antonio Spurs also getting some freebies. FB is spot 2. 3 more. I remove you from the race. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. 15 seconds. You still have 3 winners, huh? What, Denver Nuggets can close it, is it? Rockets? Denver Nuggets. Free break is spot 3. And next race. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Wow, Spectra free break ah. No lah. Okay, Hawks, Rockets. Wow, Rockets on the speed. Nitro. Boom. Houston Rockets. FB spot 4. And the last winner for our free break. Race again. Shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. After this, we'll just do a quick recap of everything that we pulled. Wow, Raptors on Nitro eh. Bang! Second is Lakers. Boss Christian Carlos gets 2 spot on the free break. That's it, guys. For the Optic freebie, this one goes to Boss Noor. For the free break, Boss August, Boss Christian Carlos 2 spots, Boss Marcus Teo, and Boss David Yang Liran. Thank you guys for the break. We'll just do a recap, guys. Good night. Those who wants to just check the recap, yeah, I'll do a fast recap. Then we'll end up this break. We got Victor Wembanyama Equinox number 260. We got Emony Bates number 275, Larry Bird number 275, Amen Thompson Obsidian Electric Edge Base number 288, Jalen Pickett rated rookie, Jake LaRavia number 288, Marcus Sasser red and gold, CJ McCollum red and gold, purple holo for Ben Shepherd, Kobe Jones red purple holo rated rookie, Kayson Wallace white hot rookies, Kobe Buffkin, Jalen Wood-Shafino. We got base for Derek Lively, Scoot Henderson, Amen Thompson, Jaime Hackes Jr. We got My House Prism for Donovan Mitchell. We got Edge, Electric Edge for Marker Fultz, Drew Holiday, Silver for Andrew Nemhard, Cut, Jalen Pickett. We got Holo again for Purple Holo for Trae Young, Base for KD, Paul George, Ant-Man, Express Lane, Steph Curry, Joel Embiid, and we got explosive red for Luka Doncic, Kawhi Winner Stays, Hakeem Olajuwon, Magic Johnson, purple for Yusuf Nurkic, Max Truss, and Jarrett Allen. Thank you guys for joining me and breaking this $5 mixer for a very cheap price, $27. Wow. And yeah, for the freebies, yeah, that one is really my way of thanking you guys. Thank you everyone for the deals, and see you on the next break. I'll just sort, take photo, and I can mail out if you wish. Thank you guys. Thank you Boss Dan, Boss Gardens, and Boss August. Thank you very much. Bye bye.